Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a card to Cash App without a zip code. So inside Cash App, the zip code field is used for the bank verification. As you can see it over here, when you try to add your debit card, your credit card, or any of the prepaid card, you must usually enter the billing zip code which is connected to that particular card's bank account. This is not your current location, it is the address which is registered with the bank. So if you don't know the zip code, you can open your banking application, then you can check the card profile or the billing address section. Most of the banks are going to show you the mailing address, the billing zip or the postal code, and the card verification details. So using the exact registered zip code is going to give you the highest success rate. Now, if the card absolutely will not verify because of the zip code issues, you can still link your bank directly. So inside Cash App, you just have to simply click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you will be landed here on this page where you just have to go to the option of linked banks. Now, when you are inside the linked banks option, you just have to choose the option of add a bank. So here, when you select the option of add a bank, you just have to log in through the paid or manual banking verification, and this bypasses many of the debit card zip verification problems completely. So these are the most effective ways to add the card to the Cash App when zip code issues appear in 2026. So you can try and let me know if that works. Thank you.